Will you tell me what what we're doing and what our next step's gonna be?
Our next step is gonna be follow me.
Okay, we'll do it. Let's go.
We gotta find a way out. There's 2 ways in.
All right, we're following Quinter. We're gonna go this way.
What do you see, Quinter?
Dead end.
So should we go the other way?
Yeah. Dang it. We gotta find the entrance out.
Well, we're looking for the bridge next, I think.
Wait. The bridge is... Wait. Hey, I can see the corn.
Bye.
Hey, only wait there. Where are you going? I'm going to the other side.
Wait a minute. You guys taking a shortcut? Let me see how that shortcut works. Coming around the corner. Coming around the corner.
That's right!